Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, June 27th, 2023, 8:21 p.m. Now this is a new in-box Dayton high-tech industrial fan. You can take a look at the box here. It has the label on the top. Now it is 56-inch, 277 volts. Going to run probably pretty slowly, but stubborn little sucker, aren't you? Okay, so first and foremost, I will show off the blades. Okay, and then the motor has the actually two J hooks, upper canopy, and the motor. So I will be installing this momentarily, assuming I can find the down rod. Hopefully that's in here somewhere, and if not, I'm sure I'll improvise. Wouldn't be the first time, won't be the last. Okay, just gonna have to, because I do not see a down rod in here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.